heat field. This is a CARIF automatic bandsaw. It's part of my CARIF range, which are my director's choice machines. They're the highest quality machines that we do. This is the 450 BA-CNC automatic machine. It will feed the material through and cut. You can also use it as a semi-automatic machine just to do single cuts. This is a program of the machine. You can cut singularly on here or set it up to automatically cut. You can store up to 100 programs, that is the number of pieces you wish to cut and the size of the pieces you wish to cut, and you can also set the blade speed on here. There is a USB port for any updates you might want to put into the computer. Over here you have two controls. One of them is the rate of descent of the bow, the speed that the bow comes down. The control here is for the pressure of the down feed. So if you're cutting very high alloys like Hastelloy, Inconel and stainless, you can apply a lot of pressure to the bow, albeit come down slowly here. This will stop the material work hardening. You can also set it up so that it's a light feed. For instance, if you're cutting box section, you might want to come down fairly rapidly through the two thin sections, and when you hit the flat at the bottom of the box section, because it's light feed, the machine will actually slow down and go through that part gently, minimizing blade loss. The electrical controls are inside this box here, and the hydraulic controls are inside this box, so it's very easy access. This guard is interlocked. You can push it down for access to the machine and for loading, etc. Right, starting from the front of the machine, you'll see there is a tension mechanism here with a line on it. Each time you do the machine up with a new blade, tension will appear here, so you've got it right every time. Here is a switch. Should the machine jam in the cut or a blade break, the machine will stop. This is a bundle clamp. There's one at the back for when you're bundle cutting. We have carbide tip blade guides here and here. We have massive rollers both sides of the blade here that minimise all the vibration when you're cutting difficult materials. At the back of the machine you can see a very large gearbox, 4 kilowatt motor. The machine weighs 1600 kilograms, by the way, it's very heavy. The bedway here are sacrificial plates. It's just stock bar, so when it gets worn out you can just go to your stock holder and buy a piece of bar to replace it with. Mitering, just done with a simple lever here. There is a scale at the bottom. You can have optional digital readout for the mitering should you require it. Dead stop there for 0, clamping off. As you can see, there's a long roller track to the machine. Depending on how you buy your material, you may not need additional tracking. You can see here the bundle clamps for bundle cutting. The machine has no material in it at the moment, but I want to demonstrate how it works. So I'll just press the start button and you can see the machine working. You'll notice that the back vise is floating. This is to allow for any bent bars you might have. It'll still go through the machine and cut it okay.